How to remove followers on Twitter. So to remove your followers from Twitter, you need to open your Twitter account in a browser. Whether in your phone or your laptop, you need to open it on a browser. You can't do it with an app. So after logging in your account on Twitter, what you need to do is tap on your profile. And here, tap on the follower icon. And here you can see the follower options. So what extra option you get in the browser is the three dot option. Just tap on it and you can see the option called remove this follower remove this follower in the middle. Just tap on it and tap on and confirm your remove. After that, when you refresh your account, when you go to your Twitter account, you can see the follower that I had has been removed. So in that way, you can remove the unwanted followers from your Twitter account. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.